How to add base network on Trust Wallet. Hello and welcome to our YouTube channel How to Tutorials. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can add base network to Trust Wallet. To add base network to Trust Wallet, first of all you will need to open your Trust Wallet application and make sure you are logged into your account. Once you are logged into your Trust Wallet, you will reach to this homepage. Here at the top right, you will find some icon. Tap on this icon. Now from here, tap on this All Network option. Once you tap on it, you will reach to this page. Here you will find all the networks available. Here you can scroll down and find base. If you didn't find the base here, you can also use the search bar at the top and search base there. Once you search it, you will find the network base. Tap on it to add it. Now you will be presented with all the tokens related to base network. You can tap on this toggle button of each of them to select them. Once doing that, you will be able to add base network to Trust Wallet. If in case you didn't see this base option, or if you want to add other networks on your Trust Wallet, then you can tap on that plus button at the top right. And once you reach to this page, here select network option. Tap on it to select it. Once selected, enter the network, chain list, the name of token, the symbol of token, node URL, as well as Explorer URL. This one is optional, but you are recommended to add if you have one. Now after entering all the details, tap on this import option and then you will be able to add any other networks on Trust Wallet. Now once you have added base network to your Trust Wallet, you can find it in your home page. So I hope this tutorial was helpful. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Also hit that bell icon to never miss any updates from us. Thank you for watching.